Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use timeline and other features of Capcut. First, open your Capcut. And here you can see your profile. Now you can select list or grid option. Then you can see the settings option. Keep them as a default. Then click Start Project. Then you can save the title from here. Then here you can see the menu. Then you can adjust the layout. Then from here you can import media. You can also import stock video from here. Then you import audio from here. From here you can search songs. From here you can also use audio effects. Then import the audio. Here you can use text. And you can also use stickers. And from here you can also use effects. Here you can use transitions. From here you can also add filters. And here you can also add adjustments as layer. Then from this icon, you can select cursor and split icon also. Here you can see the recorder option. And here you can see some different options. And here you can see the shortcuts. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.